Hey guys, today here checking out stock number 301788, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4, and our color is onyx black. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. Alright, so we got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, an automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. Got our sunroof and rear window controls, garage door openers, and our interior color is jet black timber. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated. A couple USB ports for our rear passengers and some extra storage compartments for you. Onto our exterior, we've got running boards. We've got 18-inch GMC rims, the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, which is fob released, and a spray-on box liner. And there you go, guys. That's stock number 301788. You guys have just looked at this onyx black 2026 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4. Thanks for watching.